Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to activate voice mode in Claude AI. So this is one of the really cool features of Claude AI. You can talk to Claude and get him to talk back to you if you're tired of writing. So it's really easy to activate this. So once you are in a new chat on Claude, to activate voice mode, all you have to do is click on these little lines in the bottom right. You can see as I hover over it, it says use voice mode. So I'm going to click on there and ask Claude something. Hey Claude, can you tell me what are the best ways to make money on YouTube?
Right. So the main ways creators earn on YouTube are through a few channels. The biggest one is AdSense, where you get paid when people watch ads on your videos, though you'll need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours first. Beyond that, there's sponsorships where brands pay you directly, selling merchandise, affiliate marketing, where you earn commission on products you recommend, and super chats, where viewers pay to send messages during live streams.
So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.